Hi buddies, welcome to one more video here in the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to solve the problem in the Play Store when it doesn't download anything. Okay, first thing you have to do is access settings, go to apps. Okay, now let's locate the Play Store app. Okay, here it is. Okay, now touch in these 3 points at the corner of the screen and click on uninstall updates. Okay, this message will appear. Google Play Store replace this app with the factory version. All data will be removed. Okay, done this, most of the problems with downloads will be solved. Okay, open the app again and try to download the app. You can't as fast as you can because the Google Play must update the app. Okay, as I talked before, the app is updating, so be fast. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video helps you. Thumbs up if you liked, and till the next one.